Hi everyone, Mercedes here with another video, and today I made a tres leches cake. Yes, I already made it. With this one I had to be super aware and focused about what I was doing. So I had the computer on, I had my phone on, and I was going through the recipe. I used a sweet condensed coconut milk, and I actually had coconut flakes that I got from Whole Foods, and I put it throughout the cake. So I would say this turned out to be a coconut tres leches cake, which I love. I haven't tasted it yet. So take a look. Don't mind my nasty tank top that I was wearing during that video. It got really messy as I was whipping the things together with a hand mixer. It's also only my second time using a hand mixer, so bear with me. It's not quite like the video I'm watching, but this was gonna have to do. I think it's still too liquid.
On a medium to high speed until they become a pale yellow.
Guys, I'm going to improvise here and add my own little thing and add coconut flakes. Hopefully this is not a bad idea. It still has some of the coconut, and maybe that was not a good idea. It has the coconut chunks now. Well, what you gonna do? Okay guys, that's enough dancing. Sing with me. Oh, oh, oh. This is good. Nice and smooth, wet. That thing is sponge cake, y'all. And I want to take it back to my style. Yo, I'm made a tres leches cake. Oh, you can top it off with cherry or strawberry, in my case, because I don't have cherries and I don't like cherries. And of course you can make it all fancy and put a frosting. I'm not there yet, guys. I got the foundation. This is good. Let me know if you have any tips for this delicious cake. I never thought I could do this. Guys, make a cake. This is fantastic. I'm loving you. If you have any tips for me, or if you have any requests, let me know, because I am feeling adventurous and I think I can do it. So let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.